Okay, so thank you for joining this WordPress course with Screen Readers conducted by VI Tech Academy. I hope you enjoyed this course. You enjoyed the content we provided. Now it's time to hear from you. So first we'll go to the Ralph sir. So Ralph sir, how you are feeling? How you enjoyed this training? What is your experience with us?
I have learned a lot of um, I've learned a lot of things that I intend to practice to improve my WordPress skills.
Okay, so is it worth it? Whatever you amount paid.
Yes, it is worth it.
Okay, do you recommend others to join?
Yes, I do recommend very many.
Okay, and where you joined?
Uganda.
Okay, that's great. So we have one participant from Uganda. Thank you, sir. Sandeep sir. So what is your experience with us?
Nice experience. I enjoyed a lot, but there was a lot of work to be done. Although the class was only once a week, but the assignment work was too much, at least for me. And there were so many technical terms as I gave feedback in the first class itself for me. And uh, yes, I enjoyed and I learned a lot. I learned many things about WordPress.
The course is worth it.
Yes, it is what.
Okay, so do you
Thank you very
recommend
much.
others to join VI Tech Academy's course?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Those who have their basic clear, they must join.
So we have Cynthia ma'am with us. So ma'am, what is your experience with VI Tech Academy with this course?
I've also enjoyed the course. It's just that being that this is my first time to do anything with web design, web development, there was the work was really too much for just one day. So the assignments were not many, but the work was too much. So thankfully, you are a very good teacher. You make things very easy to understand. But if it wasn't for that, it would have been a bit hard because the work is too much for just one day. Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm also from Uganda.
Okay, that's great. So we have two participants from Uganda. So
Yes.
the course is worth it.
Yes, it's very, very worth it.
Do you recommend others to join VI Tech Academy?
Yes, very much. I must actually say you are a very, very good teacher. Very good teacher. The concepts you teach, you make them so easy to understand. So I would really recommend very many people to join the course.
Next, we have Karmiki sir. So, Karmiki sir, what is your experience with us?
So my experience with this, web development course is a lot of assignments, and I am very happy to learn, this assignments because, as Sandeep sir said, so once in a week of our class, but there are a lots of, assignments, but in this assignment, so a little bit, even though I am facing confusion here and there also, but I am very happy that when I try to contact you, your respond, my request. So, and I uh, learn also like how to create, because this is very new for me.
Okay, the course is worth it.
Yes, it's worked very well. Yes.
Okay. Do you recommend others to join VI Tech Academy?
Yes, why not? So my recommendations for the next persons are people, those who want to join for this course. So uh, please come and join for this course, because Ratul sir is very good teachers, and he's also like helping whenever you want, asking help from him, and then so he will come, try to reach, and then to respond your query, And so my recommendation is, so please come and join the VI Tech Academy. Thank you. This is from my side.
Sridevi ma'am, what is your
Yes, sir.
experience with us?
My experience was very good, sir. Actually, when it comes to teaching, also you explain very well. Of course, because this is a little technical thing, and of course we are new to this, totally new. So we have to go through the recordings. But I noticed that whenever I went through the recordings, I was able to follow each and every step. So so nicely you're explaining very clearly. On the other hand, you're giving us learning material, extra, resources where we can learn. Then you're always there to guide the students, whatever doubts we had. Even I asked you, like when I was unable to install WordPress, I asked you, I was really having a tough time to install because I didn't realize my browser was giving trouble. And you told me just change the browser and see, and it really worked. And I was so happy because multiple attempts when it didn't work, and then once I changed the browser, I was able to install. I was so happy that I achieved something. And regarding the assignments, of course, it was a bit too much, but I think this course requires that kind of uh, hard work from us, because this is it's not like other courses, non-technical. This is a bit technical, and we need to learn a lot. So naturally, we had to put that much time and effort. So on the whole, a very good learning experience, because lot of information we got, and in a very easy way you explained with patience and cheerfully. So that's my feedback about the course, sir.
Yeah,
It
the
is
course is
worth,
worth it.
definitely worth the amount we paid, definitely worth. And I would strongly recommend those people who really want to benefit from this course, take it on a professional level. Definitely, it will give them a lot of information.
Okay, so thank you again, everyone, for joining this course. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much.